with the name Ikigai. सुना आपने? Ikigai is also very good book. आप सभी को पढ़ना चाहिए. Ikigai भी पढ़िए. Through Ikigai you can know purpose of your life, meaning and purpose of your life. Patrice ji used to say like this, हमारा जीवन सिर्फ खाने पीने सोने के लिए नहीं है. And this is my favorite words. मैं भी हर जगह बोलता हूँ. अगर खाना पीना सोना ही है तो उतना तो एक जानवर भी करता है, कुत्ता भी करता है. भूख लगती है, खाना खा लेता है, नींद आती है सो जाता है, नींद खुलती है जग जाता है. अगर आप भी इतना ही कर रहे हैं तो एक जानवर में आपने अंतर क्या रखा? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ए एनिमल एंड यू? बताइए. बुद्धि. वेरी नाइस. बुद्धि एंड कॉन्शियसनेस. Consciousness is even deeper, even subtle than Buddhi is Vijnanamay Kosha. Consciousness is complete, all five kosha and more in Anandamay Kosha and beyond. Anandamay kosha is body. We have embodied these five koshas. So who we are? I am one who has Anandamay Kosha. I am not Anandamay Kosha. Anandamay Kosha is a body. If I am wearing this cloth, I am not this cloth. Anandamay Kosha is a vehicle, a avran, a envelope. Anandamay Kosha, Vijnanamay Kosha, Manomay Kosha, Pranamay Kosha, Annamay Kosha. Vijnanamay Kosha has dharma, purpose of life. Everyone, most of people celebrate birthday. There are two birthdays. One birthday is physical birthday, and the real birthday is the day when you realize why you have taken birth on that birthday, why you have incarnated in the human body. Patrice used to say like this, हम भी भगवान हैं, because I am North Indian, so I have heard in Hindi more. हम भी भगवान हैं, ऊपर से नीचे हम इंसान बन जाते हैं. ऊपर है तो भगवान है, नीचे है तो इंसान है. अब ये भगवान, अगर भगवान आपको डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो तो कॉन्शियसनेस यू कैन यूज. एज ए कॉन्शियसनेस बी, एज ए कॉन्शियस बीइंग, why we have came in this human body, there is purpose, there is meaning, that you have to discover, that you have to identify. And if you have deciphered, if you have identified that purpose, and if you are living that purpose, दुनिया के से कोई बीमारी नहीं है जो ठीक नहीं हो जाए.
ಸರ್ ಹೇಳೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಪತ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಬರೀ ತಿನ್ನೋದು, ಮಲಗೋದು, ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗೂ ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಏನೂ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಚೈತನ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಅವರಿಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿರೋದು ಪತ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳೋದು ನಾವು ದೇವ್ರ ಥರ, ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಇರೋ ದೇವರುಗಳು. ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಥರ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಒಂದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಅಂಥ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಜೀವಿಗಳು ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಇವಾಗ ಪಂಚಕೋಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
दिस बुक सेल्फ कल्चर, आत्म साधना, हिंदी में आत्म साधना, कन्नड़ में क्या नाम है? आत्म संस्कृति.
Atma means soul.
Atma means soul. We can say like that, but the true meaning is little bit deeper. Self. After Brahma Jnana, you are not even soul. Soul is also an identity, I-ness. After complete enlightenment, cosmic enlightenment, you are just being, you are just light. You have no individuality. But that is Brahma.
All activities done by soul. Panchamahabhuta.
Till we have some dharma, till we have some purpose. So, all discussion of this causal body, that meaning and purpose of life, dharma, is little bit in there in this book. Not little bit, up to much extent. See, everything cannot be described in literature. When you will start reading, you will start understanding reading in between lines. So, purpose of life, which is in Vijnanamaya Kosha, is very important. So, if you will work on Pranamaya Kosha, your energy chakras, your nadis, you will experience healing. In meditation, spontaneously cosmic energy descends, some of your chakras get healed, you feel benefit. But every disease is not on the energy level, some on mind level, some on your causal body level, on your karma and dharma level. If you are not working on your mind, if you are not working on your purpose of life, how you assume that your disease will get healed? So it is not just about the energy. It is not just about the sitting way. You have to do swadhyaya. When you read books, then you will start understanding. When you will read Atma-Sanskriti, then you will start understanding, yes, I have causal body. Vijnanamaya Kosha, the English name of Vijnanamaya Kosha is the causal body. I have causal body. The other name of causal body is higher mental body. Lower mental body and higher mental body. Lower mental body has knowledge. Higher mental body has wisdom. That is one another difference. So to go from lower mental body to higher mental body, you need to focus on the wisdom, then knowledge. And one way is just focusing on the teaching, not the teacher. The wisdom is abstract, wisdom is subtle. When you will contemplate deeply on the knowledge, you will start understanding wisdom. Focus on the wisdom part, the abstract part, the main part, the essence. And it doesn't have emotions. Emotions are in lower level. So Panch Kosha, Annamaya Kosh, Pranamaya Kosh, Manomaya Kosh, Vijnanamaya Kosh, Annamaya Kosh. The more deeper we will experience in our meditation, easier will be the healing. If you will understand all 5 kosas, healing is so easy. Reversing diabetes is possible. Thousands of people have reversed their diabetes throughout the world. Thousands of people, not 1 or 2 people. American College of Lifestyle Medicine has launched course for medical doctors how to reverse diabetes. So diabetes is not a big disease. But if you don't know, if you not work on your lifestyle, by medicine it cannot be reversed. So lifestyle medicine is a good step from the scientific point of view. In spirituality, we have much Kosha. Understand lifestyle medicine a little bit because it is scientific. Whenever you are talking to doctors or any scientist person, through lifestyle medicine, you can discuss properly. Doctors will not understand Panch Kosha, but doctor will understand microbiome. Doctor will understand lifestyle medicine. All 6 pillars, there are 6 pillars in the lifestyle medicine. So meaning and purpose of life. If understanding meaning and purpose of life is difficult, then at least you can work on Manomaya Kosha, emotions and thoughts. आप अपनी बीमारी को प्राणमय कोश पर काम करके ठीक करना चाहते हो कि मनोमय कोश पे काम करके ठीक करना चाहते हो कि विज्ञानमय कोश पे काम करके ठीक करना चाहते हो, इट इज योर चॉइस. We are so much infinite consciousness, we are so much grand, so much magnificent that one can heal any most of the disease by 5 ways, 5 spiritual ways. By working on Annamaya Kosha you can reverse, by working on Pranamaya Kosha you can reverse, by working on Manomaya Kosha you can heal, by working on विज्ञानमय कोशा को इग्नोर कर लिया. अगर आपने अपने प्राणमय कोश को ठीक कर लिया, अगर अपने चक्रास को ठीक कर लिया, डायबिटीज, कैंसर ठीक हो जाएगा. अगर किसी ने चक्रा पे ज्यादा काम नहीं किया लेकिन माइंड पे काम कर लिया, इमोशंस एंड थॉट्स, then disease can be reversed. And if someone want to work on the causal body directly, if he is searching what is my purpose of life, purpose of life of Patrizi was spreading meditation. My purpose is spreading zero budget health. If you will discover your purpose of life, if you will live your purpose of life, your body will become healthy automatically. So by understanding Panch Kosha, you can heal in many ways. By working on Pranmay Kosha, by working on Manomay Kosha, by working on Vijnanmay Kosha.
So actually what do you mean by working on?
I will must listen to this.
ಇವಾಗ 5 ಕೋಶಗಳನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಬೇಸಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಧರ್ಮ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತು ಹಾಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಅದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಣಮಯ ಕೋಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತು ಮನೋಮಯ ಕೋಶದಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ 5 ಕೋಶಗಳಿದೆ, ಅನ್ನಮಯ ಕೋಶ, ಪ್ರಾಣಮಯ ಕೋಶ, ಮನೋಮಯ ಕೋಶ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಮಯ ಕೋಶ. ಈ 4 ಕೋಶಗಳಿಂದ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಇವಾಗ ಸರ್ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
Healing, if you know Panch Kosha, it is basically a Panch Kosha, but market term is zero budget health. Brand name is zero budget health. But basically, whenever you want one buy medicine, there is one general name, one is generic name. For doctors, generic name is important. For layman, brand name is important. So brand name is zero budget health, but generic name is Panch Kosha. By learning about Panch Kosha, you can heal your disease in multiple ways. I came yesterday from Delhi by flight, but I can also come by train. If someone is adventurous, he can also come by road. There are many ways. Similarly, if one want to heal himself, one can work on energy, he will be healed. If one can work on thinking and emotion, he can be healed. If I can work on the causal body, meaning and purpose of life, dharma, he or she will be healed. Healing is very easy if you know Panch Kosha. If you doesn't know Panch Kosha, फिर तो डॉक्टर्स जो कई साल पढ़ाई करते हैं वो थायराइड ठीक नहीं कर पाते, वो डायबिटीज ठीक नहीं कर पाते. I run a platform with the name Spiritual Doctors for Holistic Health. Dr. Chandana has spoken on that platform, and many doctors, near about 100 doctors of whole world has spoken on that platform. Causal body, mental body, and Pranmay Kosha, etheric body. When we convert that Kosha in New Age term, then there are 7 bodies. Panch Kosha is a Indian term. It is a Upanishadic term. There is the 3 Upanishad. In that Panch Kosha term is clear. But in modern way, in Atma Sanskriti, you will get name of 7 bodies. You must have heard in lecture of Patrizi, we have 7 bodies. Physical body, etheric body, astral body, mental body, causal body, buddhic body, cosmic body, nirvanic body. But like Panch Kosha, the lower 5 are more important. You can, if you can just understand the lower 5 bodies, you can work on the 5 bodies. Good question has came how to work. So how to work on the 5 kosas? That is the thing The first thing is understanding what is the composition of that kosha. What are there in that? Like if you are talking about pranamaya kosha, then its energy, how energy is flowing in our chakras and nadis. If one can know, I also work on the acupuncture. Acupressure and acupuncture. Acupuncture is the more original science. Acupressure is little bit easy version of acupuncture. So in acupuncture, one works on the meridian, on energy channels. So in acupuncture, there are direction of energy in our meridian. It is not like energy is just flowing up and down. There is particular direction. Like here, the energy is flowing from outside to inside. But this side, in inside energy is flowing inside to outside. But outside energy is flowing outward to inward. That direction. That much depth is not required now because it is very just today we are just getting Panch Kosha. Going much detail in Pranamaya Kosha needs more time. Okay. So every kosha needs lots of discussion and many hours to understand the composition, the structure, different chakras. More, it is not just name, but the function. Which chakra is affected? Anyone knows? Manipura. Pelvic is Swadish. Pelvic, Manipura, solar plexus. If one can improve solar plexus chakra, that will be healed. One easy way